Now, anyone who have heard about this geometric mean, what do you understand by this word? Anyone? Boys? Weighted arithmetic mean और arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean में क्या फर्क है? Umesh, just a minute. Himanshi, weighted arithmetic mean and arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means whatever data is given to you, you are finding the average value. Average value means most concentrated area. कि जिसको देखकर you are evaluating कि हमारा left side data and right hand side data will be equal. We are giving one single value to whole considered data in the arithmetic mean. Weighted arithmetic means if you have arithmetic mean of different categories, we want one compiled answer. Say suppose I gave you example of this class evaluation, continuous evaluation also. Means you are scoring marks in your assignment, in your class test, in your surprise test, then in your sessionals and your end term. You have scored marks in all these things, but when your final grade is declared, it's always a single value. So how you are getting a single value? Because we are giving weightage to, say suppose 5% weightage to this, 10% weightage to this, 10 to this, and 20% to your sessionals, and rest that this is what? 20, 30, 40, let it be 5. 20, 30, 40. So rest 60% weightage will be given to the marks which you will score in the end term. तो चाहे तुम इसमें 0 भी ले लो, इधर भी 0 ले लो, say suppose यहाँ 2 ले लिया, यहाँ हमने 10 ले लिया, this is out of 10, this is out of 5, 5, 5, anything, and this is out of 100, still you will pass and you will get a single score. That single score is in the terms of weighted arithmetic mean, because we have included all the continuous evaluation or the score which you have scored earlier. We have calculated the average mean of this data and given a single value. This would be considered under weighted arithmetic mean. Arithmetic, this is for about particular one. This is single data of Himanshi. Similarly, single data of Divanjan. Then single data of Ajit. So you have one mean. This is another mean. This is another mean. If you are evaluating up, say suppose I'm writing here. Himanshi is scoring A. Then Divanjan scoring another value. Then Ajit scoring another value. Say, if I am finding the mean of these data, this is your arithmetic mean. But now if I am evaluating single data for Himanshi using this, then this is your weighted arithmetic mean. Using weighted arithmetic mean, you are getting single value for individual data. And when you are calculating and combining all this individual data and then getting or evaluating your arithmetic mean, this will give you your single value of the arithmetic mean or the average. Understood, Himanshi? Himanshi? Fine. Umesh, sequence series is the example of geometric mean. I asked you geometric mean. The average mean which signifies the central tendency. Geometric mean, no? Deep. It is a category of central tendency. Means we are evaluating central tendency. So there are arithmetic mean, we have geometric mean, and another is your harmonic mean. And one thing we did different, that was your positional average. Positional Average or positional mean. Yeah, पिछली बार आंसर किया nth root of product of nth. Yes. I am coming there. Mean we have done, then median we have done, then comes your mod, then your quartiles, then decile, then percentile, and इसमें एक और आ गया, that is weighted arithmetic mean. इन सबका weighted भी होता है, weighted arithmetic mean, weighted geometric mean, weighted harmonic mean. तो वो तो you can easily calculate अगर तुम्हें weighted arithmetic mean आता है. It's same like that only. Weighted harmonic mean. Now concentrate. We have covered all this. Today we will be doing geometric and the harmonic mean. And I asked you, what do you understand by geometric mean? Why you are required geometric mean? Why we need geometric mean? Can you give me any real life example? This question comes in your competitive exam. Have you heard about it? Anyone? कोई real life example if you remember? Nobody? Find interest rate. What kind of interest rate? It helps in finding compound interest. One more thing. Any other example? Vivek? Any other real life example? Nobody? Fine. We'll not waste time. Whenever we are studying two things, very, very important. Whenever we are studying growth or whenever we are studying decline. Yes, अब समझ आया? अब तो तुम्हें एग्जाम्पल भी मिल जाएंगे विवेक. Whenever you are studying growth or decline, then we always evaluate geometric mean. Suppose if I say Maggie has launched its new product. बहुत time पहले it started Maggie masala. When I first time ate, it was in 1992. Annual return, yes, Deep. So, yes. Then you see, Maggie masala, it came in 1992. Maybe उससे पहले आया हो, but I first time remember since it's from 1992. And after that, many other products of same kind, they were launched. I remember that was Top Ramen. I don't think Top Ramen is still popular. Right? Top Ramen and और क्या आता है Yippee, something like that. But you see, consistently, Maggi masala is still in the market and everybody likes that. Right? Similarly, another example, if I say there was a soap, Hammam. Do you find this soap nowadays in the market? Hammam, yeah, Liril. So you see, these soaps were very popular from 90s till 2000. But now they have declined. So whenever you are studying the growth of any market growth, any product launched, and you are studying whether it is developing, growing, or it is declining, it is getting popular or not. So it is used in business and economic problem, where whenever we are dealing with the quantities or the variables that changes over a period of time, there we always use geometric mean. Why? Because it gives us the percentage average change every time, because it is representing the average growth or the average decline rate of the variable for certain period of time. Alright, that is why geometric mean is used in such kind population growth या immortality rate या mortality rate of the infant समझते हो ना, छोटे बच्चों का death rate, that is mortality rate of infant. Whenever we are evaluating this literacy rate, yes, very good Himanshi. So literacy rate is growing or declining? Literacy rate, the better example is this gender rate, boys girl का ratio. If you are evaluating this, I mean such kind of data, GDP. Now you see कितने सारे example आ रहे हैं आप लोगों को. Understood? कहाँ कहाँ तुम इसको use करोगे? When you feel, then you can easily, of course, yes Rajesh. So now you can see whenever you are looking at the real life problems, you can easily consider where and what kind of data is available there and how you are going to evaluate the central tendency or the mean or the average for that given data. अंदर तो हर जगह उठ के हम एवरेज मीन या अरिथमेटिक मीन थोड़ी लगा देते हैं. फाइन. सो दैट विल बी योर ज्योमेट्रिक मीन. अब मैथमेटिकली हाउ यू इवैल्यूएट? Let's do mathematically. It is always, geometric mean is represented as the product. In what we do in arithmetic mean, we are adding the number of items, right? But in geometric mean, we do the product of the item. That is x1 into x2 into x3 till xn and whole raised to the power 1 by n. N is number of items, multiple number, and then take the square root. Not square root every time, Vivek. It's not square root. It's nth root. Jitne number of items are given to you, utna number of root will be there. All right. It's not square root. If two number, then it's a square root. ठीक है? Fine. So ये तो general mathematically you know how you are going to evaluate the geometric mean. But हम इसको ऐसे डायरेक्टली नहीं कर सकते because say suppose I have data of you are counting number of people in a village of Punjab. अब इसमें कितने, पूरा पंजाब नहीं लेते हैं. Suppose मान लेते हैं मोहाली में. How many number of villages are there? एक village की population is this much. Another village has population of this much. ये भी हम किसकी ले ले, सबकी नहीं लेते. Say suppose you are calculating population of youth in this village, population of youth in another village, and suppose I have this such kind of data and you have calculated nearly 500 villages. Fine, 500 villages and you have this kind of data and now you want to evaluate the growth of literacy rate. Literacy rate in these villages among the youth for 500 villages where data is such kind. Then now you see if you are evaluating the geometric mean, then you are multiplying these items. So 500 villages are there, तो ये 500 data होगा. So nth term is 500. Now when you are multiplying this, you will get a very huge number. Fine. Whenever you are getting very huge number, and this would be 500 root, which would be a very huge number. Your calculator will show a limit. तो चला जाएगा 10 raised to the power something. ठीक है? So calculator also, machine also has some limit. That is why whenever we have such kind of data, what we do? We convert it into a log form. It's better to change into a log form. Yes, Deep. That's what we are going to do now. Now you see it is in power. That is why we will take log both the sides. Take log both the sides. Now, what you will have? Say suppose I am representing GM as small g. The log g, this is in power, we will get 1 by n. Log of whatever is given in your bracket, product of the items, x1, x2, say till xn tak. Fine. Now see, left hand side will leave as it is. इसको भी ऐसे छोड़ दो. take your log inside. So what you will get? अंदर product है, बाहर log है. Now you are taking your log inside. Your product changes into addition. This would be your log x1 plus log x2, so on till log xn. Log xn. Fine. Now, if you want to write a general term, this would be written as summation log of xi, and your I is equals to 1 to n. Fine. And you see, we still have a log on the left hand side, and you want to remove that log. What we will do? We will take anti-log. I'm representing that with capital A. So geometric mean का formula would be anti-log of 1 by n summation 1 to n log of xi. Understood? Everyone? This is the formula for the geometric mean till for the individual data. Whenever you have individual data. Understood? Say yes or no. Fine. Now suppose if we have this discrete data. Fine. I'm erasing the board. Can I erase the board? Fine. Now suppose we have discrete data. Now you know discrete data means you will have x and you will also have f, such kind of data, that is x1, f1, x2, f2, so on till xn and fn. So geometric mean would be, अब you know कि इसका मतलब क्या होता है. Yes, D. x1 की frequency f1 means what? Your x1 number is getting repeated how many times? f1 time. So if you want to write this in individual form, this is written as x1 how many times? Till f1 time. Similarly, x2 will be repeated till f2 times, so on, right? So we write mathematically this as x1 is getting repeated how many times? f1 time. Multiply. x2 is getting repeated how many times? f2 time. x3 raised to the power f3 till xn raised to the power fn. Fine. Now, and whole raised to the power, how many items are there? N. Capital N, where your capital N is sigma f, that is sum of the frequency. Now taking log both the side. So log of G, this is equals to 1 by capital N, log of all the terms, bracket as it is. Now take your log inside. Fine. When you are taking your log inside, so you will have log of, suppose यहाँ पहली value लिख देते हैं x1 f1 multiply till xn fn. अब तुम अपना log अंदर ले गए हो. So this would be what? Log of x1 f1 implies what? f1 into log of x1 plus f2 log of x2 till plus fn log of xn. Understood? अभी इसका जनरल टर्म लिखोगे तो इसका जनरल टर्म वुड बी रिटन एज, अभी हम इसको लॉग को हटाना चाहते हैं. दिस कैन बी रिटन एज योर ज्योमेट्रिक मीन इज एंटी लॉग किसका? 1 by n as it is. बाकी समीशन है किसका? fi log of xi, where I is equals to 1 to n. Understood? So I am taking that you all have understood the derivation. You just need to remember the formula, okay? Just remember these formulas. All right, Priya भी है कोई? Continuous data is given to you, then can you do that? Continuous data में you will have to find the mid value, then it will change into your discrete data only. तब हमारा geometric का mean का formula will be the same only. Understood? Everyone? Fine. अभी क्वेश्चन करने से पहले let me introduce you with the harmonic mean also. ठीक है? Then we'll do एक ही क्वेश्चन करेंगे, उसमें सब हो जाएगा. Now, what do you mean by harmonic mean? सुना है कहीं? Harmonic mean means reverse of arithmetic mean. ठीक है. I'm writing one statement now. Harmonic mean. Let me know what do you understand by this. Harmonic mean is defined as the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean. AM means arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the given observation. Fine. पढ़ो जरा ऐसे. Harmonic mean is defined as the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the given observation. क्या समझ में आया? Anyone? Harmonium? नहीं साकेत. Vivek is saying reverse of AM. Arithmetic. Deep is also saying reciprocal of AM. मतलब क्या हुआ? Reciprocal of the AM. ये तो सारे बोल रहे हैं. Fine. अब AM means what? You already know arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is sigma x over l if you have individual data. Fine. We are talking about individual data अभी. ठीक है? Discrete की बाद में देखिए. So you have number of observations. Say suppose x1, x2, x3 till xn. Sigma means arithmetic mean में क्या हो जाएगा? इन सबको ऐड कर देंगे till number of observation. This was your arithmetic mean. He's saying it is the reciprocal of arithmetic mean. तो reciprocal of arithmetic mean अगर हम लेते हैं तो that would be what? n over sigma x. But आगे भी कुछ बोल रहा है. It is the reciprocal of the given observation. So reciprocal of the given observation. So your observations are what? These are your observation x1, x2, x3 so on till xn. So reciprocal of the observation चाहिए हमें. So that is written as n upon 1 over x1 plus 1 over x2 because these are observation. इसका में reciprocal चाहिए 1 upon xn. So this is written as sigma 1 by x upon n if you want to write in the general term. इसका capital R means reciprocal. So this is equals to your harmonic mean. Understood? और इसको हम डायरेक्टली लिख लें तो दिस इज रिटन एज दिस. अंडरस्टूड? हार्मोनिक मीन का फॉर्मूला इज if A, B, C are the arithmetic mean will be yes. This is the reciprocal of just observation, not mean. उमेश, ये तो आपने सिर्फ ये चीज बताई. Mean would be n upon this, जितनी भी number of observation है upon this. Understood? Everyone. Similarly, if you have your discrete data, so whenever we have discrete data, your harmonic mean will be reciprocal. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Sigma of frequency into reciprocal of observation, that is 1 by x whole upon n. Or in other terms, this is written as n upon sigma f upon x. Understood? This will be your harmonic mean for the discrete data. This is for the discrete data. And for the individual data, your harmonic mean is this. Yes, yes, Umesh. Yes, yes. Understood? Say yes or no. Harmonic mean. Fine. Now, can you give me a real life example? Where will you use this harmonic mean? Yes, Anurag, Moin. Where will you use this harmonic mean? इसकी जरूरत क्यों पड़ गई हमें? अभी तुम्हारे पास अरिथमेटिक मीन है, ज्योमेट्रिक है. Why you need harmonic mean? In Fibonacci sequence pattern. इतनी ज्यादा टेक्निकल टर्म में नहीं जाते दीप. वैसे तो हाँ ठीक है, बट layman language में to determine pattern, how अच्छा, and average of rate, yes Vivek, average of rate and average of ratio when the dimensions of the parameters are not same, we always use harmonic mean. Very good Vivek, very good. Understood everyone? Vivek क्या बोल रहा है? He said we are using in the, कहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हैं? We are using in the average of rate. Rate means what? Rate का मतलब क्या होता है? Rate is change. Rate means change with respect to something. Okay? Or ratios. So whenever you are calculating two different items and their dimensions are not same, they are varying with time or with other parameter, then to study this variation we use harmonic mean. For example, say suppose, अभी यहाँ कौन दिख रहा है? मैं suppose विवेक दिख रहा है. विवेक का कोई एग्जाम है in Delhi. Vivek has to appear for exam in Delhi और exam starts at suppose दोपहर को 2 बजे, 2 से 4 उसका एग्जाम है. अभी he is in चंडीगढ़ and you know चंडीगढ़ से दिल्ली तक का डिस्टेंस I guess 253 या 280 किलोमीटर्स है. I am not very sure, इतना ही कुछ है. मान लेते हैं 253 है, ठीक है. एंड यू नो कि 5 आवर्स लगते हैं हमें जाने में. चाहे बस से जाओ, बाय कार जाओगे तो 4.5 भी लग सकता है, बट नियरली और अप्रोक्सीमेटली इट टेक्स 5 आवर्स. सो यू आर मूविंग फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़ टू दिल्ली, टाइम लगेगा 5 आवर्स. द डिस्टेंस विल ऑलवेज रिमेन सेम, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज. सो एंड विवेक इज गेटिंग लेट. तो उसने क्या किया है? उसने गाड़ी दौड़ाई है सपोज 60 से 180 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से. 160 to 180 किलोमीटर पर आवर स्पीड. फाइन. इंप्लाइज व्हाट? अगर हमें 5 घंटे लग रहे हैं और हम जा रहे हैं किस स्पीड से? 90 की स्पीड से. 90 भी छोड़ो, अगर हम 60 की स्पीड से जा रहे हैं तो इट इज टेकिंग 5 आवर्स. ठीक है. जो बसेस चलती हैं वो 60 से 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से चल रही होती है, किलोमीटर पर आवर. Fine, but he is driving with the speed this. So how many time he will take? Nearly 2.5 के around पहुंच जाएगा. The time which should be there was 5 hours, but it is reduced to 2.5. Distance remains the same. But exam देखिए when he is returning back. Now he is coming with the speed of 60, not more than 60. Earlier, his speed was 160 to 180 km per hour, and he is returning with the speed of this. Now you see, now you are evaluating the average or arithmetic mean for this. You will not get a central value. You will not get a central value. Understood? This is not going to give you the average. That is why harmonic mean is required, because there is a huge difference in the speed. Speed is varying very vastly. That is why arithmetic mean is not a good tool to evaluate your average. In that case, we will use only harmonic mean. Say, take another example. Lenses. Lenses की जब focal length निकालते हो, तो this is equals to, focal length is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. And these gives the distance from any two objects. So this is always considered as the difference. And we always consider in the reciprocal, because we need average of the distance of the same. We are observing from one position and we are observing two different objects. That is why this will give our focal length. Whenever अगर suppose अगर electricity में बात करते हैं, तो electrical capacitors or resistors, if they are attached in series or in the parallel form, again whenever you are calculating average capacitor या average resistance, we again use in the terms of reciprocal. अगर Ohm's law याद है किसी को तो total resistance, that is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, that gives you your average resistance. Yes, something like that. Understood? In that case, we always use harmonic mean. Fine, in parallel. Yes, please. Now you can correlate where you are going to apply arithmetic mean, where are you going to apply geometric mean, and where are you going to apply your arithmetic mean. There is a difference according to the applications of real life. You have to change your tools. These are your measuring tools. Fine. Now let's do one question. Now suppose our given question is, your x is given as 133, 141, 125 and 173 and 182. This is your given observation. Find geometric mean. Now can you evaluate geometric mean? X is given 133, 141, 125, 173, 182. तो तुम्हें geometric mean का formula मालूम है? Geometric mean is equals to sigma log x upon n. क्या करोगे? फटाफट इसका log x निकालो सबका. Log x निकालोगे and then you need sigma log x. इन सबको ऐड कर देना है. ठीक है, तुम्हें फटाफट ये वाली वैल्यू बताओ. क्या करना है? log 133 निकालो, log 141, log 125, log 173, log 182 और फिर इन सबको ऐड करो एंड गिव मी दिस वैल्यू. जल्दी बताओ कितना आ रहा है. $2.168. 2.168. Nearly. Yes, Vivek, you are nearly correct. You are taking values at 3 decimal places or 4 decimal places? It will make a difference. You are considering the value for 3 decimal places or 4? 2 decimal? नहीं Vivek, 4 decimal places की लो. Always consider 4 decimal places, okay? .87 अजीत, ये बहुत ज्यादा है. This is the final answer, Ajit. 2.877 is for using 2.173. This is absolutely correct. Umesh, very good. This is the value. Give me the value of sigma log x. Umesh. Sigma log x की value is? Very good. This is 10.8681. It's nearly this. 10.8681. All right. 8681. Whole upon number of items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. इसका antilog. So we are getting 2.1736. 2.1736. Yes, Ajit. Now it's fine. Now take the antilog. Antilog means कैसे लेना है? Shift, then press log, then press this number. Otherwise, 10 raised to the power this number. You will get the antilog. What is the answer? Jaldi. We are left with 2 minutes, I guess. .149, absolutely correct, Deep. Yes, Nipun, very good. 1.49.14. This is 2. This is the absolutely correct answer. Fine. Everyone is getting the same answer? Everyone is getting the same answer? Fine, Imanshi. Good. Now, can you evaluate the harmonic mean for this? X is given to you. Find 1 over x. सबकी value. सबका 1 by x निकालो. Then summation 1 by x. Then your harmonic mean will be n upon 1 by x. Sigma value. X given है 1 by 33, 1 by 41, 1 by 125, 1 by this, 1 by this. सबको add करना है. That is 5 by इसकी value. Okay? And I'm giving you another question for the discrete data. Try this yourself. I guess our class is getting over. I'm giving you a question. You try yourself for both geometric and harmonic mean. Your x is 12. Frequency is 5. 13. Then it's 4. 14. Then it's 4. 15. It's 3. 16. It's 2, and 17, it's 1. Okay? This is your discrete data. Evaluate your geometric mean and harmonic mean. Try yourself, okay? I'll give you the answer tomorrow in your next class. 2 पॉइंट के बाद कैसे आया? सुदर्शन, यू हैव कैलकुलेटर? सुदर्शन, कैलकुलेटर है तुम्हारे पास? सुदर्शन, फाइन. अभी देखो साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर है, साइंटिफिक है ना? सुदर्शन, साइंटिफिक नहीं है? आई डोंट नो कि उसमें कौन सी वैल्यूज होती है. सिंपल वाला कैलकुलेटर है. फोन है तुम्हारे पास? आई गेस फोन पे भी होता है साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर. अदरवाइज अगर साइंटिफिक है, 10 रेज टू दी पावर, सुदर्शन पावर वाला तो सब में होता है. 10 रेज टू दी पावर में यही वैल्यू लिख दो. 10 की पावर में 2.1736. देखो कितना आया? हार्मोनिक 147.62. जस्ट अ मिनट, आई गेस इट इज करेक्ट. बाकी किसी हमारे पास इसका एग्जैक्ट आंसर नहीं है हार्मोनिक का. आई हैव टू इवैल्यूएट. सुदर्शन आ गया? सुदर्शन 10 की पावर में 2.1736 लिखो. आया आंसर? व्हाट इज योर आंसर नाउ? या तो हम शिफ्ट करेंगे, लॉग प्रेस करो और नंबर प्रेस करो, यू विल गेट द एंटी लॉग. अदरवाइज 10 रेज टू द पावर वो नंबर टाइप करो, यू विल गेट द एंटी लॉग. ओके? यस अनुराग, यस एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. सिमिलरली हार्मोनिक मीन निकालना है. हिमांशी, हार्मोनिक मीन इज 148.80. विवेक का भी नियरली ऐसा ही कुछ आ रहा है, 147.6. आई डोंट नो द आंसर अभी. Will match later. Okay? Try these question. Similarly, कोई continuous का question भी उठा के करना. I will send you notes. I think I have sent notes. Measure of dispersion K. I have sent you notes. Himanshi, Karandeep and क्या नाम है? Debanjan. I have sent them notes. Fine, fine. Okay, very good, Vivek, Anurag. Fine? Okay, try this.